Hello, students. As you can see, we are starting Unit 4. It is holidays and celebrations. Repeat after me. Holidays and celebrations. All right, very good. Today we are working on page 42. In 42, we have this reading, and after the reading, we have some true-false questions. So I'm going to read this to you. Please follow along in your book. It is titled, Come Celebrate the Moon in Hong Kong. All right. The Moon Festival is celebrated when the full moon is brightest and closest to Earth. It takes place on the 15th day of the 8th month of the Chinese lunar calendar. This year, the celebrations start on September 8th. Take a tram up to Victoria Peak and watch the moonrise over the city. Look closely. They say you can see Chang, the beautiful moon goddess, dancing on the moon. Take a bite of a delicious moon cake and you'll find a golden egg yolk inside, a symbol of the moon. Look at displays of colorful lanterns, sing moon songs, and send good wishes to all your loved ones. The Moon Festival is magic. Okay, before we continue, I want to help you with some vocabulary just to make sure everybody is good. So the 15th is this, 15th. And the 8th is like this. Whoa. Oh, that is ugly. Sorry. Let me draw that better. All right, the 8th, we'll do it over here. I have to use my mouse. I'm not very good at drawing with the mouse. So there you go. So it's important to put the TH. That's where the TH is here and here. So 15th and the 8th. These are ordinal numbers and they put things in order. All right. These are lanterns right here. So these are lanterns. And this is the moon cake. And it looks like it would go very well with coffee. So we should go to Hong Kong and visit the Moon Festival. All right. So right now, let's go through and answer these true or false questions. I'm going to read it with you, and you should read and follow along. The Moon Festival is celebrated when the moon is full. Is this true or false? All right, the Moon Festival is celebrated when the full moon is brightest. So the moon is full? Yes. Number 2. The moonrise is in the morning. Let's see. Does it say anything? All right, it doesn't say anything specific, but when do you see the moon? Do you see it in the morning or do you see it in the evening? You see it in the evening, so let's mark that false. People tell a story about the man in the moon. All right, this says They say you can see Chang, the beautiful moon goddess. So when you see goddess, that is female. So a man in the moon is false. Number 4. The egg yolks inside mooncakes are a symbol of the sun. All right. Egg yolk inside, a symbol of the moon. So it's not a symbol of the sun. If it was a symbol of the sun, it would be called a sun cake, not a moon cake. Number 5. People send good wishes to family during the moon festival. All right, so here, sing moon songs and send good wishes to all your loved ones. So that is a true. Very good. So in your own time, practice reading these, listen, and repeat. That will help you with your English pronunciation. But right now, we are going to exercise 2. I'm going to play the audio, so please listen, and then we will answer the questions.
Unit 4. Holidays and Celebrations. Lesson A, pages 42 and 43. 2. Listen and answer the questions.
I'm so excited, Rebecca! My family and I are going to Hong Kong to visit our relatives.
That sounds exciting, Lee. When are you going?
We're going next month for the Moon Festival.
What are you going to do during the Moon Festival?
We're going to have a big family feast with our aunts, uncles, and cousins. We're going to eat roast duck and pumpkin. After the meal, we're going to go outside and watch the moon and eat mooncakes.
What are mooncakes?
They're delicious pastries with different fillings inside them. I'll bring some back for you to try.
All right, so let's read the questions and then let's work on answering the questions. So number 1, read with me. Why are Lee and his family going to Hong Kong? All right, that's question 1. Question 2, when are they going to go there? Good. Number 3, what are they going to eat at the family feast? All right, good. And number 4, what are they going to do after the feast? Okay, so let's listen again and we'll pause it to answer the questions.
Unit 4. Holidays and Celebrations. Lesson A, pages 42 and 43. 2. Listen and answer the questions.
I'm so excited, Rebecca! My family and I are going to Hong Kong to visit our relatives.
That sounds exciting, Lee. When are you going?
All right, why is Lee going to Hong Kong?
Rebecca, my family and I are going to Hong Kong to visit our relatives.
All right. They are going to visit relatives. So in English, the word relatives means members of your family. You are related to them, so they are your relatives. Brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, grandfathers, grandmothers, etc. Let's keep listening.
That sounds exciting, Lee. When are you going?
We're going next month for the Moon Festival.
All right, so when are they going to go there? He said next month for the Moon Festival. Very good. So be listening for food and after food.
What are you going to do during the Moon Festival?
We're going to have a big family feast with our aunts, uncles, and cousins. We're going to eat roast duck and pumpkin.
All right, he said they're going to eat what? He said roast duck and pumpkin. All right, very good. And the last one, let's listen for this one.
After the meal, we're going to go outside and watch the moon and eat mooncakes.
What are mooncakes?
All right, he said after the feast, they were going to go outside. So go outside and do what? And watch the moon and eat mooncakes. Very good. All right, mooncake is one word. Excellent. So there you go. That is page 42. Thank you for following along. In the next video, we will work on page 43.